Airdrop failed. So what can be the reason? So one of the most common reasons is that actually if you're doing airdrop, for example, from Mac to your iPhone, then your storage, you can be out of storage. So for example, if you have 256, you can be 255 out of 26 like taken, and then it's not gonna work. So you need to free up your storage. That's one of the most common reasons. If you, for example, doing from iPad to iPhone, from Mac to iPhone, you can sometimes even do not notice that your storage was taken from some apps. Some apps can be 30, 40 gigabytes or something, your photos, videos, so on. And also if you're doing from iPhone to Mac, basically, I don't know, the issue can be that I don't know, some bad connection. So then you just try again, and then it works. But if you try again 3 times, doesn't work, then the issue is either in storage on your Mac or iOS, or like with some Bluetooth connection issue or something like that.